They absolutely could have sounded that alarm. Okay, one of the genuine fears is that people would have ran uphill. Okay, fire does travel faster uphill. So that is, so to that argument, I can understand them not doing that. But they didn't sound any emergency alarms. And then, on top of all of this, the protocol, as stated in the Hawaiian Electrical Company's protocol, is that if there's a fire, that area of the grid, the power will be turned off.
Yeah, I feel like that's number one.
Absolutely, and they didn't do it. They didn't turn in any of the power off.